In selling craft and design, the relationship between the craftsperson and the retailer is extremely important. This is a relationship that needs to be built on and worked on. It gives the retailer the opportunity to get to know you, to know your product, to understand it, and hopefully to have a storyline that will go with your product that they will be able to pass on to the customer when they're selling. It's extremely important that you find the right retailer for your product, and you need to do good research on this. The research can be done in the form of checking out different stores online. This is available with most retail outlets now, or to actually go to the store yourself prior to making contact with the retailer and check out the store. See if you feel your product is going to sit comfortably amongst the other items that they are selling. Because there is no point you putting your product forward and it ending up in the wrong retail outlet. It will simply sit there and it won't move. Once you've established a relationship with the retailer, I think it's important that you continue to develop that relationship. And some ways of doing that would be to, keep in contact with them. I don't mean that you pursue them relentlessly, but keep in contact with them. See if there's any additional information they would like. See if they would like some background information, some promotional information. Check with them what lines are selling and what lines are not selling, and ask them for feedback so that you can modify your product, improve your product, and at the end, increase your sales.
My view is that in order to have a really well-designed product, you need to be aware of current trends. You need to probably be aware of future trends as well, and know what retailers and gallery owners want to show and trade on to the consumer. You need to be adding value to the product that isn't in other products on the high street store. You need to make sure that your product sets apart from everyone else. You need to make sure that it has that something special. I think a strong brand will always have a hand signature that is specific to your product and your business. And it should have a stamp that relates only to you. It should represent you well in the marketplace. I believe that over the years, as the product might change, the ranges might change, you might add to it, you might take away, it should always still represent your business and you, and carry through a story that is specific to you and your company. A guru in marketing, Walter Landor, he says, products are made in the factory, but brands are made in the mind. And that's what you've got to get across every time you put your product out into the marketplace. And that the consumer knows that that's your product, it belongs to you and is part of your collection. And that they'll always be able to pick up pieces from that collection as the years go by.